Did you know you can grow brand new plants without soil, fertilizer, or fancy tools? Just one cutting, one glass of water, and a little patience. I've been gardening for years, and I still get excited watching roots appear in clear water. It feels like magic, but it's real plant science. Today, I'll show you 12 easy plants you can start right now using nothing more than a cutting and a glass of water. Most of these grow fast, some grow ridiculously fast, and many are perfect for beginners. Let's get into it. 1. Pothos. Pothos is the king of water propagation. Cut just below a node, place it in water, and you're done. Roots often appear in 7 to 10 days. It tolerates low light and mist water changes. That's why it's in offices everywhere. Fun fact: Pothos helps reduce indoor odors and VOCs according to several indoor air studies. Not a miracle cure, but still helpful. 2. Philodendron. Philodendrons are Pothos close cousins. They root just as easily. Make sure the cutting has at least one node. No node means no roots. These plants love bright, indirect light. Too much sun can turn leaves yellow in water. 3. Monstera deliciosa. Yes, the famous Swiss cheese plant works in water too, but it needs a thicker cutting with a visible node. Roots take longer, usually 2 to 3 weeks. Be patient. Once rooted, you can keep it in water long-term or move it to soil. Just don't rush the transplant. 4. Spider plant. Spider plants practically propagate themselves. Those little babies on long stems are ready to grow. Drop one baby into a glass of water. Roots show up fast, often within a week. This is a great plant to propagate with kids. Very forgiving. 5. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is not real bamboo. It's actually a type of Dracaena. It grows happily in water for years. Just keep the roots submerged and the stalk above water. Use filtered or distilled water if possible. Tap water with chlorine can cause yellowing. 6. Tradescantia. This plant grows insanely fast. Sometimes roots appear in just a few days. Cut a stem. Drop it in water. That's it. It's perfect if you want fast results or fuller hanging baskets later. 7. Coleus. Coleus is one of the easiest colorful plants to propagate. Bright leaves, fast roots. Remove the lower leaves before placing in water. Otherwise, they rot. Once rooted, Coleus prefers soil, but water is perfect for starting it. 8. Mint. Mint in water is almost unstoppable. You can root it in a kitchen glass. Use fresh, healthy stems. Avoid woody ones. Once rooted, plant it in soil unless you want mint taking over your house in jars. Bonus tip: water-grown mint still smells amazing. 9. Basil. Basil roots well in warm conditions. That's why summer is best. Cut just above a leaf node. Remove lower leaves. Place in water. Change the water every few days to prevent slime. Roots appear in about 2 weeks. 10. Begonia. Not all begonias work, but cane types do very well. Look for thick stems with nodes. Roots can take 2 to 3 weeks. Keep them in bright, indirect light. Avoid cold water. Room temperature is best. 11. Syngonium. Syngonium is underrated and very easy. It roots similarly to Philodendron. Cut below a node. Place in water. Wait. These plants adapt well to water and can live hydroponically long-term if you want. 12. English ivy. Ivy roots easily in water but needs good airflow. Stagnant water causes rot. Change water often. Every 2 to 3 days is ideal. Once rooted, ivy prefers soil. Water is just the starting point. Extra tips: always include at least one node in your cutting. Use clear glass so you can monitor root health. Change water every 2 to 4 days for best results. Keep cuttings out of direct sun. If water smells bad, change it immediately. Roots grown in water are fragile. Be gentle when planting. If you enjoyed this and learned something new, give the video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you love simple gardening tips that actually work. And tell me in the comments, which plant are you going to try first with just a glass of water? Happy growing, and I'll see you in the next one.